up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my January mystery bag of awesome. Now, guys, I usually kind of knock on this one a little bit because it's usually not very awesome, but I gotta say, lately they've been putting some really cool stuff in these bags, so I'm really looking forward to what I got in this one. Without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the mini mystery bag of awesome, it is a smaller version of the mystery bag of awesome that you can get from That Daily Deal. I'll have a link in the description box below for this particular bag. This one is $9.99 a month, and normally you get 3 products and like a little word search activities sheet, which I think is very fun. All right, guys, so this month, it's kind of big, I'm just saying. So here's this month. I'm like, wow, it's a little bit bigger than normal. I did try to peek what this thing was at the top here. Let me just show you guys. I was like, okay, I see cords, but I didn't pull it out because I want to do that with you guys. So since this is the thing that's on top and it's kind of sort of visible, let's see what it is. Okay, so, ooh, it's a lantern pendant. Guys, I'm actually kind of pumped about this. Now, this is the mainstays version. So here it is, guys. I'm going to zoom in on this part right here so you guys can kind of see what it is. But it's actually quite big. And mainstays, I do believe, is a Walmart brand. So I'm going to turn to the back here. Here's the nice long cord and all of that kind of stuff. I guess that's where your little bulb goes into and all of that kind of stuff. All right, guys, I'm not mad at this at all. I think it'll be super fun somewhere in my house. I'm really not sure where I'm going to put it. But I'm actually not mad at this at all. I think it's super fun. All right, so here's the word search they have for it this month. This is included in every single box. I think it's super fun. Or bag. I said box, but you guys know what I'm saying. Anyways, I think it's super fun to do. They have just a nice, fun activities thing that you can do with your kids or with yourself if you so choose to. Okay, I do those every single month, by the way. I think they're super fun. All right. What else do we got in here? Spascriptions anti-aging makeup cleansing wipes. Okay, I'm not mad at that. For some reason, they've been including a lot of like beauty products in this bag lately. I'm really not sure what's up with that, but that's okay. I think that'll be super fun. All right. Well, I don't know, it'll be super fun, but I think it'll be super useful. That's a better word. Okay, so what is going on here? Be Calm Soothing Dough. Soothing dough? A soothing dough that relaxes the mind. Okay, guys. Here it is. And I'm going to have to open this. So you guys are going to have to bear with me because I have to know what is a soothing dough. All right. Definitely not familiar with anything like this. So I don't know. It might be awesome. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, guys, here's what it looks like after I open it up. I'm just going to kind of... Oh... Here. You know what, guys? It just kind of feels like Play-Doh. You know, that's pretty much what it feels like. I mean, I guess it could be calming for somebody. Okay. Yeah, there's that. I mean, it might be really cool, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'll play around with it and find it soothing or calming or whatever it's supposed to do. Has a very minty kind of a smell to it, which is kind of cool. All right, guys. Again, this was the mini mystery bag of awesome. You can get it on That Daily Deal. I will have a link in the description box below. And you know what? I also signed up for their text messages where they text message what's like the product of the day or the deal of the day. And guys, it's actually pretty cool. I got some really nice products from them that I just bought from getting those text messages. And I'm going to have a video on one thing that I got because I think it's going to be super, really fun. Is that a word? It's a word in my vocabulary because I say super fun all the time. So why not add really into that, right? At any rate, I am going to be doing a video of me making this thing that I bought from them. I can't remember what it's called, to be honest with you guys. So look forward to that video coming up very soon because I'm really curious if I can do it like it looks like on the box. We'll have to see. All right, guys, if you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more super fun content. Super fun seems to be the words for this video. All right, guys, that's all I got for you this time, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the mineral... What? Okay, hold on.